What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech, and this is the iPad 8th generation. So this is the latest budget end iPad sold by Apple. So the price tag of this iPad is 30,000 rupees, and for like this kind of price point, this is definitely one of the best tablets out there. Straight away, Apple's iPads are the #1 tablet or the best phablet out there. But if you look in terms of such a kind of competitive price tag of 30,000 rupees, this is one of the great device out there. Like straight away, for 29,900 rupees, the iPad 8th generation is the true value for the money package. First of all, you're talking about Apple's A12 Bionic chip, which is also in my iPhone XS, and definitely it is a beast. Still in 2020 also, Apple's A12 Bionic chip is a champion, and obviously for more than 3 to 4 years, this will still be very much competitive. But overall, for this kind of price tag, this is one of the most value for the money Apple product. Well guys, see, like every single Apple product is very much overpriced. Let that be any iPhone, Apple Watches or any other Apple product, it is generally kind of overpriced. But with like this kind of product, or especially this budget and iPad series by Apple, this is the most value for the money Apple product, because in this competition, like around 30,000 rupees, you cannot find any better tablet. You can obviously go for iPad 7th generation or 6th generation, but what's the point? If the difference between the 7th generation and the 8th generation is hardly 3,000 rupees, then definitely go for the 8th generation, because you will get one additional year of software support. And other than that, the camera of this iPad is pretty much okayish, because for the most of it, you will use it to scan any documents. You are definitely not using it to record any 4K videos, so it is pretty much okay. The front camera is also pretty average, but still the main selling point is the overall iPad OS, because definitely Apple's iPad OS has made the iPad more than a tablet, because nowadays you can add a Bluetooth keyboard, you can even add a mouse, and still you can get a desktop kind experience with your iPad. So definitely getting a keyboard and a cursor support with the iPad OS makes it a very nice replacement. But still, I will never use an iPad instead of a desktop setup. But for this kind of price point, this is one of the best tablets out there. So guys, now let us discuss about the overall build quality. At the end of the day, it is an Apple product, so in terms of the overall feel in hand, it is up to the point. You're talking about aluminium build quality, and other than that, the most obvious reason or the most differentiating factor is the display panel. Well guys, you're of course talking about the older iPad design. Still, many people have no problem having like this kind of thick bezels, but in an era of 2020, like the iPad Air 2020 is a better alternative. Like if you have to spend more 15,000 rupees, you should definitely go for the Apple iPad Air. But other than that, for like this kind of competitive price point, this is no problem at all. Well, now let me come to the most interesting question, and that is why you need an iPad. Because for the majority amount of people who want to buy their first tablet, they have never used an iPad, and that is the biggest reason why they hesitate to buy such a kind of product. And honestly speaking, definitely if you have never used an iPad before, and if you are planning to buy a tablet, then the iPad 8th generation is the best entry point. And if so, like if you're a professional user, if you like to edit photos, or in short, if you care a lot about the specifications, then the iPad Air is the best alternative out there. Well, honestly speaking, for those kind of users who actually want to buy the iPad Pro but still don't want to pay such a high price tag, the iPad Air is actually a very nice alternative. So for a normal consumer who asks me that which iPad is the best, I will recommend him the iPad Air. But if you are on a strict budget around 30,000 rupees, then the iPad 8th generation is the true value for the money champion. But other than that, all of the iPads are absolutely worth it. Well, the iPad OS gives this kind of iPad a very nice experience. Well, honestly speaking, before the iPad OS, iPad was very limited, but after this update, you're talking about cursor support. You can connect an external Bluetooth keyboard, and actually you can have a complete desktop. But still, you can never replace a full-fledged desktop setup with an iPad. But still, for like this kind of price point, for any college student, this is one of the best alternatives out there. And guys, many people ask me that is there need to apply a tempered glass screen protector or use a cover with their iPad? And the honest answer is, if you are having this kind of budget and iPad which is around 30 to 50,000 rupees, then definitely there is no need at all. Suppose if you are having any kids in your house, then you should of course apply at least a tempered glass. But honestly speaking, my sister, which is 7 years old, uses like this kind of iPad very easily. Well, she has dropped it couple of times, but still there is no physical damage. So in terms of the overall build quality, with at least the aluminum iPads, it is pretty good. But with the iPad Pro lineup, there is a completely different story, because first of all, the entire metal sheet is very thin, and because of which the iPad easily bends. But with this kind of iPad, there is no bending issue. And honestly speaking, for the entry price or for the entry storage of 32 GB, it is pretty much okay. If you want to buy the cellular version, it is the additional amount. But still, for a college student or for anyone who wants to take this for taking notes, watching few videos on YouTube, and overall for media consuming experience, then definitely buying this 8th generation iPad is totally worth it. And guys, now let me come to my overall conclusion. Well guys, definitely an iPad can never replace a desktop kind of setup, but still for like this kind of price point, for any college student to take any notes on it, it is a very nice device. So definitely there is a big yes from my side that the 8th generation iPad is a true value for the money product. And now you will ask me that will I use this iPad from today? And the answer is, I have not purchased this iPad for myself. Well guys, I am personally using from past 6 years this old first generation iPad mini, which is just iOS 9 point support something. But still, this kind of iPad is actually a gift for someone special. Well guys, I am giving this iPad to one of the person who has basically saved my life. Well guys, this is literally priceless in front of what they have done for me. But still, if you are planning to buy the iPad 8th generation, it is a true value for the money product. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.